Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. I'm doing a goofy live because something just popped into my head on a Sunday. It's 12:30 and it is extremely hot in Michigan. It's over 90 degrees, almost 95 degrees, and I was sitting out by the pool thinking, man, I remember when I had to go to work after a weekend like this, a hot weekend, knowing what I was going into. And I'm going to bet right now 99% of you who are out there having fun, maybe you're fishing on your boats, maybe you're camping, maybe you're having a picnic or a backyard party, are saying, man, I really don't want to go to work tomorrow. All right. That's kind of why I'm doing this, because that popped in my head. I couldn't, for 32 years I said that. The difference was I was working most of those years 7 days a week, especially my last 10 years. So I want you to think about that right now. All you guys out there right now, maybe you'll see this live later tonight, and you got to get up for work in the morning, maybe 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, to go do that daily grind to pay those bills. This is what Onpassive is going to change. All right. A year after we launch to the world, you're going to have that Sunday blues again, but guess what? You probably won't have to go to that job. Now, I'm not guaranteeing it, but I'm saying it's looking pretty good right now. So I'm just going to call this the Blues Sundays and Mondays of coming. All you people that got to go work, and you're looking at maybe a 50, 60, 70, 80-hour work week, but right now you're having a lot of fun. And you're thinking, man, why can't I do this every day? Why can't I go fishing every day? All right? Why do I got to go to work Monday? Well, I'm here to tell you, I'm showing you a better way. I'm talking about a better way. It is called Onpassive. Brand new tech company, IT, all right? Artificial intelligence, residual income, something most people have looked for their whole lives. I've got people in here that did MLM companies for over 20 years, but they had to work it, they had to sell it, they had to recruit people and keep doing it. They just threw money into a hole, all right? This is different, folks. This is totally different. $97 gets you in as a founder to a $5.5 billion company before we launch. Okay, before we launch, that's what this company's worth right now. Also, I think we got, I didn't look, 860,000, if not more. You could say founders and you could say customers. We will launch with a record-breaking number customers in a company ever. No one has ever done this. So it's just a special video I'm making. I'm not looking at names if people are making names. Let's see, Trevor, Rakash, Vivek, Tanvir, Diane, what's happening? Just a crazy live today, trying to get people to think a little different. Listra, Ann Long, Tanya, Onpassive, what's happening? If I missed you on there, Shahadat, if I said that right. Fahir, I'm going to get that name right sooner or later. Fahir. And Maz, these are tough ones. Maserad, if I said it right. I hope I did. Trevor, what's happening? So guys, this is all this is about. I want you to think, like I know Diane was showing me some wonderful pictures. She was at a car show, man, showing the classics. And if you know me, I don't care about the new cars. I love classic cars. And that's cool. Imagine going around the world someday, Passive's taking care of you, and you can go to any country in the world, check out those cool, like Cuba. Cuba's got some bad muscle cars, man, really cool. Always wanted to go there and check out their hot rods and stuff like that. But that's what I'm trying to tell you what Onpassive's going to do for you. Now, I don't rarely do lives on a Sunday, or the weekends actually, but it was just popping in my head is, man, how many years did I sit there on a Sunday saying, man, I don't really want to go to work tomorrow. This was too much fun. You know, if you think about it, you get 2 days a week to have fun. 2 days a week for 30-some years, and you take a vacation here and there. And then you go on that vacation. You might schedule a vacation, go to a dream vacation, go to Hawaii, and you go there for a week. It's just not enough. All right? Think like this. Imagine you go to Hawaii, and you don't have a set date to come back. Why? Because you're going to be earning residual income. Residual income from 4.7 billion internet users. Okay? Onpassive is the perfect solution for anybody. It doesn't matter if you are a computer geek or you don't know nothing about a computer and you're looking at a guy right here. It's a great place to be. We have had challenges in the last 3 years. Every one of them have been completed. And like I said, I talked about on my live the other day how about people, high key, on my phone already, how companies have tried to start up without really looking at the full process. All right, Ashma 4 is going through every single thing to make sure it launches perfect. No crashes. All right, that's why companies fail. They rush it. Auto industry, that's an everyday thing. Just get it to the public, make them happy. And then what happens when that person gets that brand new $50,000 truck or car? 2 weeks later, there's a recall on it. All right, or a light's going off. All right, the only lights that are going to be going off and passive is nobody's. Everyone's just going to win. It's going to be nonstop. I have had a few of you PM me, sent you out the links to you. All you got to do is fill them in. I do not put links on my videos because I'm helping other people that maybe are a little shy about doing a live. And you are more than welcome to share anything I do on Passive. I do not put links for that reason. If someone does share this, get back with them and ask them all about Onpassive. You want to change your life? You want to stop saying, oh, honey, I don't really want to go to work tomorrow. If it's 100 degrees outside, inside that plant's going to be 190 degrees. Maybe some of you are fortunate enough to sit in air conditioning all day. And I tell you what, that's no fun either. Sitting in air conditioning all day, looking out that little window they give you to say, man, look at that beautiful sunny day. I could be out fishing right now. That's what Onpassive's going to do for your lives, folks. I could sit there and tell you this or that about it, but I just want you to think about that. Concentrate on Monday's coming, folks. You had a great weekend. You had a lot of fun. You actually had so much fun, you're too tired to go to damn work on Monday. I bet you. Well, Diane, I know she's retired, but I know she's had a pretty good couple weeks vacation here, and I know she's probably tired, but it sure was nice, I bet, for her. But think about that, guys. Imagine going to somewhere you always wanted to go and not stay there for a lousy week. And what do you do in that week? You rush to make sure you see everything. Oh, we got to go here, we got to go here. And you really don't enjoy it. Yeah, you took pictures, you were there, but did you really enjoy it? Wouldn't it be nice to go somewhere for a month, 2 months, and not have to worry about anything because you know your bills are getting paid? Because Passive's doing that from the marketing campaigns and the residual income that they're doing for you. That's what it's all about. That's how I want you to think this week. So all you people that watch this today and make fun of me, that's okay. I believe in this 100%. I believe in Onpassive. I believe in the CEO Ash. I have a lot of friends in here who have the same beliefs. But man, don't you want to change? Think about it. You got to go to work tomorrow. You got to pay those bills. That's why you got to go to work. What is it? I owe. Off to work I go. Join today. All right. You're going to have a lot of different choices. It's just right now, it's all $97 to get in. When we do launch to the world, okay, you pay a package fee one time, around $250. You get all the products of Onpassive, all right, and Onpassive goes to work for you. 7 days a week, guys, non-stop, 24 hours a day, sending different marketing campaigns, different ones in your name. Let me see, whose name can I use today? I'm not looking at the comments today. Let's use my buddy Trevor, all right? TrevorPeters.com is going to be sent out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, nonstop. All right, 7-day gift trial. People are going to click on it. They're going to realize that it's $250. I get all the products of Onpassive, and that's it. And I can make money doing this. I want you to think about what I just said. Yes, you can make money doing this. All right, Onpassive guarantees your success. How much money? That's we'll have to wait. But I'm not going to wait. I jumped in it. I'm getting people involved in it from all over the world, which is extremely exciting. We did a Papua New Guinea meeting at midnight last night, and they signed up the week before because we had some really powerful speakers. They signed up 30 people. They call them the mothers, who don't have computers, don't have phones, they don't have roads. All right, they signed these people, looked at, heard it, they signed them up. All right, they're in it. Papua New Guinea, in a year after we launch, is really going to change for the better. Because I think people in countries like that are just tired of being taken advantage of. You know, that's the truth. Even in America, we're taken advantage of. I want you to think about your, especially retirees, senior citizens, how much you've lost and the years of work you put into getting those things. You know, if you don't save every dime, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. This is going to earn you a lot of dimes in Onpassive. So people are texting me here again. Just trust me on this, guys. 97 bucks. I guarantee you today, especially on this beautiful weekend we had, you spent well over $97 on something. All right? Try it one time. PM me. Ask me for a link. We'll get you in 10 minutes. Anyone that shares this, ask them for the link. It's very, very simple to do. And when I mean you don't have to do anything, that's the truth. You don't have to do anything but get in. I do this because I want to share it to more people. All right? And I want to help people build their teams up, not just in Michigan, all over the world. Very important to me. The company has literally everything you could possibly imagine, but superior. All right? We got something called ONET, which is this Facebook thing you guys are on that you're mad about. You're going to want to get on that. All right? I tell people, send me your email. When that happens, I will send it. It's a free service. But when you realize that I can still make money and have all these products for doing nothing, it's that simple, guys. It's that simple. All right, let me scroll down and see if I'm missing any names here. Probably a lot. Roy, what's happening, Roy? Julie, when? Bill Must is on here. Bill, we're going to do a chat later, a family chat later, Bill and Julie. I just talked to Marty. Oh, you guys are moving too fast. Lynn Nakamoto, what's happening? Ooh, talk with. Hey. Bangladesh, you know I love you. Jogger. Dave, what's happening, Dave Rosleski? Look at these people. Gotta love them. From all over the world, guys. You look down, these people are from all over the world. That's what I'm talking about. I know Bill Mustard's from the UK. Julie's California. I know I got some Bangladesh in here, India, Australia. We're everywhere, folks. We are everywhere. But really, guess what? Monday's coming. You got to go to work. A year after we launch, you're going to have those choices. Think about it. Don't change what you're doing now. Keep doing what you're doing. All right? Or you can keep doing what you're doing for another 20, 30 years. Or you could get into it as an Onpassive founder, and 1 year, 2 years, woo, man. I'm not allowed to talk about money, but you're going to make a lot of apples, all right? And that orchard will grow, and it'll keep growing. It'll never stop growing, and you didn't do nothing but get in. That's the truth. So PM me, guys. You got a birthday today. I haven't looked at the birthdays, but happy birthday. I hope I don't miss none of my good buddies, but I'll get you later on Facebook. If you're sick, we're praying for you. And all you people that don't believe, you will when we launch, and you can still get in. I don't hate you. All right? I get it. But guess what? I promise you'll all be calling me, or anyone else that shares this, because we talk about it every day. All right, guys, that was my Sunday special. Monday's coming. Monday's coming. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then guess what? You might get 2 days next week to have fun. If you made the money to pay your bills. Think about that too. All right. I love you all. I'll see you later. Ciao. Excuse me. Woo!